Everyone, welcome back to Sbonelo'S, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi soap stories, and today I'm talking about Uzalo guys. As you know ke ukuthi ke uSbonelo ushonile i-character yakhe bayibulele lapha na ke kuZalo. So guys, kuzoba khona ke umncwabo ozobe useqopheleni ke eliphezulu we ubaba kaSibonelo uNkunzi ke nebutho lakhe kuzobe kuyibo abahamba phambili njengoba ke nibona befaka amabheshu bevunule ngokwesintu. Icebo lethu funeral lizobeke lona elizongcwaba ke uSbonelo, which is part of advertisement for bona, and guys they will be showcasing ama services abanawo lapha na ke kucebo lethu guys. Wanibona guys ukuthi khona amabhanoyi khona namatende, uhlobo lwetende bazofika nalo, kukhona neimoto zabo, like they're just showing people ukuthi if you're interested, hey, you know where to get us. So guys bapostile lapha na ke einkundleni zokuxhumana bathi we are landing on your screen very soon. Something special has been brewing behind the scene with one of SA favorite and most watched TV soap, and Icebo Lethu funeral is bringing the utmost dignity and respect to this captivating storyline. Basibethi ke askese ukuthi ke isiphi ke istory, so abantu basibasho ukuthi cha umngcwabo kaSibonelo ke lo abazobeke bewenza, and it's true guys. Sibona ke nangezindlu kanti ke nabozalo bapostile amahinti abo ukuthi cha icebo lethu ilona ezobe libangcwabela. So okay guys, yeah man, welcome to the end of season 9 and welcome to the new season which is season 10. Abanye ke bebebuza ngoNkunzi ukuthi uyahamba yini naye. Cha guys, uNkunzi akayindawo futhi ke akaze ngimbone ekuthandawo nje, selokhu ngambona angikhumbuli ngibona uNkunzi actor kwesinye istory ngisho bethwa si part time. Ngimazela kuZalo nje and ngibuye sengazi ukuthi cha uhappy ke lapho ke akhona. Sithi nje rest in peace kuSbonelo. We really enjoy his craft and simfisela nje okuhle kodwa futhi ke ikusasa lakhe libuka liqhakazile impela. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.